In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. There's two pins right here. I'm going to just pull those to the side, just like that, and then you can slide them up. Do the same on this one. Pop it out, slide it up, grab the headlight assembly, and it just slides right out. Now disconnect the connector right here for the high beam bulb. You want to use just a straight blade screwdriver. Just get under this little tab, slide that up, and it slides out. You can grab the bulb, twist it to the left, and it slides right out. Take the new bulb, slide it in, push it down, and twist it to the right. And connect the connector. Lock it down. To disconnect the connector for the low beam, I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get under the little tabs and slide that out. You can grab the bulb, twist it to the left, and slide it out. Take the new bulb, line it up, push it down, twist it to the right, take the connector, line it up, and lock it down. Before I slide the light in place, you can see where the adjusters are for the height right here. You're going to use an E8 socket, and then from side to side is adjusted on this side. Slide the headlight in place. Take these pins, slide those down. Make sure they go all the way down. You may have to adjust the height a little bit just to get everything to line up right. Slide that down. When that's down, and you can lock it in place. Do the same with the other one.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.